Good evening na siya sa. Good evening now, yeah. Good evening, everyone.
My sister is hanging something.
What is hanging something? Wala man.
Sure.
Why is hanging? Wala man. It's not, oy. Nothing. Here, only beside here, yeah. Or beside here, yeah. Here, I take off already, yeah. Hi, good evening, everybody. Today we ride the boat. I ride the boat, my honey. Forgot to. I forgot my sunglasses. I forgot, yeah. Hi, let's go, everyone. Evening. Enjoying after dinner. Hi, the sun is very good. I forgot my sunglasses, yeah. 7 o'clock in the evening. It's still bright. Enjoy it, everyone. Let's go. After dinner, we will go. I forgot my sunglasses. Okay, no problem. So, we have to look over there, oh. Very nice, yeah. Enjoy it. Hello, hello. This is your simple and fun family. I hope it's working the mic. Screen, yeah, working. Because sometimes it's not working. Sometimes it's not working. The sun is... Ay, suwaw tayo balik. Kaya ang sun direct out eyes. Enjoy it, everyone. After dinner, ride the boat. The children doesn't like to come. It's only me and my husband. Enjoying after dinner, yeah. The kiddos doesn't like to come. They will play ping pong or and football. Kuya po na direct sa itong nawong ay. Samot kalapan itong nawong anay. Ay! So I will give you in the view, everyone, ha? Continue. Still bright here, na. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock over. Still bright. Still bright. Anyway, when it's dark, I have flashlight. My flashlight is like Petromac, yeah. Double flashlight I have, Petromac and it's like fluorescent and flashlight. Very nice after eating dinner, everyone. Enjoying with my honey. 1 hour over, everyone is okay. 1 hour. Please enjoy it. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Everyone. Yeah, there is the young boys in the top there on there. The top there. Under the bridge, yeah. How you got to go to climb, yeah? You will climb the picnic under the bridge, yeah. Many wild animals and birds. The wild birds. So walk there, oy. I think it's much more winter this side, oh. Much more winter this side, yeah. The other side is the Kayuman. The sun is very yellow. This side is a little bit shadow, is winter, yeah. So wow. So wow ang adlaw sa kagabion. Abasan pa 7 o'clock over na 7 o'clock. Abasan. The sun is until the 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, yeah, a little bit. Very clear when it's the summertime. In the evening is it's not dark, yeah. Have a sun. Enjoy it everyone. Look, oh, very nice. Peaceful, yeah. Very nice. Very peaceful, yeah. Very quiet. Very quiet everyone. Yeah, there is a fisherman everyone, oh. Fisherman. Will not put camera ng fisherman. Ang clear. It's not allowed yet. I'm looking for my mic is green or not because sometimes when I use is getting cut off. I cannot see babay direct, no, getting off direct, yeah. But I charged one already, yeah. I hope it's not getting off, yeah. Getting cut off, yeah. Sometimes, yeah. Enjoy it everyone. Make only one round everyone. One round only over there. Because in April it's getting cold, yeah. More and more cold. I have to wake up very early to make shower, yeah. I make shower before I go to the appointment. No time today. Very busy today, yeah. There is the man is looking with us, the man is looking here. You cannot see there. All is black, where nothing. Yeah, the other man, the young one, will drive along. Sakayan. Ah, the train, everyone, oh. Train going to Brook. Brook going to return in the Surikya. Then direct winter tour. Ah, 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 ah. Enjoy it, everybody. The sun is a little bit down now. It's not up. Ah, mali ayun nila. Bubsay lipat raja bubsay. Kuya bubsay. Tayo sa bubsay. Nami ng masin gamiton kay dagan na dito. Tubila na gasolina. Ah, 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 ah. Very quiet na. Very quiet now, everyone. We make only one round, everyone. One round. Before I go, I own the washing machine for the plates, yeah. Take the time, always have take the time. Ah, ah, ah. The sun is getting, always getting cold. I wear normal coat. Normal coat I wear, yeah. We do not meet to the ends, is only over there, round over there, round. Because it's getting cold. Very slowly, this one, everyone, our boat. Slowly only, yeah. Slowly but surely. Important, enjoying everyone, important, yeah. I forgot to bring my cover of the head. Ay, matugnaw naman tayo, matugnaw. Ah. Forgot to bring the cover of the head. Kailangan kabiran ang head kaysa tugnaw ta kurog ta na. Kurog ta eh. Kaatan sila nato para lumulupad. Dah. Boleh everyone kay baat sa iwan baatan. Matang-tang naman siya, oy. Matang-tang. Sama deh. Wait, everyone, ako sa iba-iba at sa everyone. Baat sa nila ako kung akong coat. Kay tugnaw, uy. Sa. Bitir raw, bitir ya. Much more bitter ya. I hope it's working na. Gabi rahin na kay a little bit cold ya. Maayo gani kay naay gabi ring akong kuan. Coat na di wearing na. Trend again oh. Na trend again. The train again going to Zurich. Ilbangin ba dire bluwa niya? Ilbangin ba? Ah, train again. Always up a train ya. Enjoy it everybody. I'm just only looking for a view here. There is a fisherman also there, everyone. Oh, there also fisherman there. Oh, yeah, fisherman there. You have to make this side, yeah. 20 minutes bawi area. 20 minutes. Swansea Mountain. Swansea Mountain, everybody, is 20 minutes since we ride boat, yeah. Take tayo rin everyone. Sprite and back. Tira. Sprite and back. The bridge everyone, oh. Kilbangin Banhog over there everyone. Kilbangin Banhog. Very nice the bridge there, oh. We are under the bridge everyone. The road upstairs is Interstate 1. You have to go this side, just like that. You go coming off that. This side you go. I said to my husband, we have to go this side because there is a student against coming there. Yeah. Clearly, yeah. Oh. Like that, the book say like that, yeah. Live and right, yeah. You know how to handle it, everyone. Live and right. Don't know how to handle it, everyone. Balance, the book say balance. Live and right, yeah. Take everyone sports league. God, this one, everyone, oh, alone. Alone. This one is alone. Ah, this one, alone, alone. Ah, there is coming, estudyante, oh, student, oh. There is coming again, yeah. Even in the night time, yeah. Sports, yeah. Even in the night time, everyone. They will make a sports, yeah. Swiss style, yeah. You go back, Ashat? Huh? Go back now?
Max, we go back.
Yeah,
Max,
yeah. Go back na. It's not necessary to go make it continue na. We have to go back now. If we know if na, eating big the waves, oh. He ask you, did I go back now? Sabi isang I said, yeah. We go back na guys, already na almost 30 minutes. I said, okay. Until I na-put this 1 hour, yeah. Maybe. Tayo rin, may hani kayo kami. Binti na room. Tomorrow again, I have to make finish, yeah. 3 times a week, yeah. 3 times. Binti na sa room. Tapos we transfer na bigger room, yeah. I'm tired as well. I clean the window. The windows I clean, yeah. It's okay. This one, this is the for I will make it this one for tomorrow. For tomorrow, this one, this everyone. For tomorrow, this one is not for today. For tomorrow, yeah. Ah, there is the book, oh. The swan is there, the book. Swan, bye-bye. You can fly also, that, yeah, you can fly. Evening na everyone, the sun will go out everybody. The sun will go down now, it will go down. It's getting more cold everyone. My coat is not correct. It's not correct. It's okay. It's okay. Good is 48 minutes. You can make a download, yeah. 48 minutes. TV patrol. 48 minutes. I think that's okay. Some also is 40 minutes, 48 minutes, 49, what is 1 hour, yeah. It's depend, yeah. It's depend on the time. Go back now everyone. It's getting dark. The sun is getting down. Over there, the sun getting down. Getting down now, yeah. Getting down, getting cold. It's getting cold now. We have to go back. Ay, Diyos ko God. Very quiet, yeah. Getting tired, everyone. Excuses, yeah. Getting tired, yeah. Now it's evening, yeah. Time to bed. Ah, mini mosquito, ora. Mosquito, Herminia. Mini mosquito, yeah. Ah, cargo, cargo. Small cargo, yeah. Over there, small cargo, yeah. Some people is walking outside. Mini mosquito, the mosquito direct my eyes. But the mosquito here in Switzerland is not dangerous. Not like in the Philippines, yeah. Hello po. Three, three. Oh, it's about three. Every 10 minutes, yeah. Bye. I hope you all, everyone, is okay. We are okay here. Please watch to my YouTube channel. And please like, share, and subscribe. Please. It's so good. Getting tired, everybody. Getting tired. You go back now in the area of the boat. The area of the boat, you have to put it back our boat there. And then you have to refill gasoline. Make it full tank always, yeah. For the next ride. For the next use, yeah. Nice. Ducks, ducks, ducks. Bye, ducks. The ducks, yeah. Mini ducks under the tree, everyone over there. Partnering, yeah. Male and female. There is the house over there, ducks. Yeah. The house is there, bamboo, that is the house, yeah. A bamboo tree. Ducks. Patay na akong ducks. What's out eh? Paril may hawak, may honey. You have to look pa, the fly na. Fly na kay. Disturbing. Getting cold, everyone. Oy, getting cold. When the sun is away, it's getting cold. The sun is getting away, the sun getting down and down until it's a little bit darker. Dark. Time to go back, everyone. Boat in the area of the boat, everyone in the boat, parking boat there. And you have to lock them. Getting dark now, look, oh, getting dark. It's getting dark, yeah. Like that, everyone, yeah. Live to go up to the to like this, yeah. Apartment there, apartment. It's getting cold, my hands. Oh, the train again, oh. Getting cold there. Getting colder. Getting colder, everyone. Go back now. Oh, 40 minutes, everyone, yeah. Si Romander ah. Iti suwaw na everyone ya. Here na lang. Very suwaw ang adlaw din here na bitin. We are almost now there everyone. 43 minutes na. 44 minutes ya. Over. 48 is enough, is okay. No problem ya. Can we go download tomorrow? This one ya. Not for today, tomorrow. The bridge there, everyone. We are coming in the bridge there. Coming in the bridge, yeah. Go back again na. Student at student. I don't know how many times to go back like that. I don't. Many times go back na. It's not tiring. The young here, very young, the girls and the boys, they're all under the bridge, oh. Oh, saan na sila diha, oh. Sakta na sila din ha. Hi! Ay! Diyos ko ba? Si Halloween nila. Ito, they are doing the rejoin nila. Say, hello. Sabi ka little video like nagpasok niya. Quickly. Hoy! Tired everyone. Tired Lisa. Ay, tired na. Dax. You have to sleep na, Dax. Kay evening na, Dax. You have to sleep now, na. You will sleep in a bamboo rin, bamboo house yan. Male and female. Male and female meet together, mini itlog, mini more. Nalog nila, the birds din, na. Pati, mga in Pinas, pati. Mini, nalog, na. Nalog, very nice, oh. So many. My God. We are almost in the boat now, everyone. We put the boat there, everyone. Parking of the boat. Almost everyone. I wanna see bye-bye, everyone. Kaya I have to help my husband there in the boat. I have to make it baat ya. Baat. Baatan, everyone, para dili maanod. Atan ang boat. many birds here. Yeah. Useful God. Many birds are flying. Flying. Ah, look, oh, so many. Ay! Go, yun away kayo na. Mariksa juga. Go away, hoy. Fly na. Kaya we are almost now with you. Fly na ya. Enjoy it. So many. Ay, Diyos ko ka, dancing ya. Dancing flying, no? Groups o na. What a mini, oh my God. We go na in the boat area, everyone. We'll put our boat there. Copyright, everyone. Very talk now, everyone. Very talk now. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a nice evening. I wanna say it to you, everybody. Bye bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Boat there, everyone. Go now inside in the boat area. Put our boat there. Bye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.